How to change iPhone ringtone to any song with computer. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change an iPhone ringtone to any song with the computer. First, open Apple Music or iTunes on your computer. Make sure that the song you want is in your library and not just streaming. If needed, drag the song file into iTunes or Music. Now, play the song and note the start and end times for the section you want to use as your ringtone, and select up to 40 seconds. Next, right-click the song and select Song Info or Get Info on Mac. Then, go to the Options tab. Here, enter the start and stop times and click OK. After that, create an AAC version of the song by selecting it, clicking File, then Convert, and choosing Create AAC Version. Then locate the new AAC file and change its extension from M4A to M4R. Finally, sync the file to your iPhone by dragging it to the Tone section in iTunes or Apple Music. You can now set the new ringtone on your iPhone by going to Settings under Sounds and Haptics. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.